Hey everyone, so in this video I'm going to show you how to show Spotify on Discord status on PC and laptop. So first of all you need to go on the Google tab and search for Discord here and just click on the Discord website and just logging to your Discord account. You can also use the app for your PC or laptop, and after coming to the dashboard you just have to look for a option here like user settings, and after clicking on user settings you have to look for connections here. So after looking for connection, you can see the next menu to the devices is connections. You have to just click on it and you have to click on the Spotify, and you have to just to continue to Google and log into your Spotify from here. And or you can also use your email, and you can also provide your password, and then you can log in and just connect your Spotify account to Discord, and that will show you that will sh- and that will show you Spotify on Discord status on PC or laptop. And if this not working, then there might be a problem on your Spotify account, or your desktop is not allowing to connect it, or there can be another problem that you are using VPN or some kind of stuff, and you disable your VPN and try again, and it will connect successfully, and you can see the Spotify on Discord status. And that's it for this video. See you on the next one.